Hello again. It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 14 by 14 inch pre-prime canvas. Not a high quality canvas because it feels like somebody put sand in the paint, but I think by the time I'm done I'll be okay. So I want a bunch of base color that I'm going to put other colors over, and the Additives is not particularly expensive compared to lots of paint, so I'm going to spread some of that right now. Actually, I'm going to let it sit there for a minute and give myself some sky colors, I hope. And I'm not sure how any of this is going to go because this is a different method of application for me. But I'm just going to follow through and see what happens. And that means I will start with my spatula, I think. And if you need the name of a color, I'll be happy to give it to you. I want some real red orange, and then I might want some actual orange. But I think what worked in my last wave sky was some of that Decor Americana 24 karat gold. Now, if I swipe across once, then I'll have some colors I can use on my edges. It's not that easy to try and cover a black canvas. And I'm contemplating using some Australian Floetrol laden Amsterdam white paint. But I do have some good colors going on, so maybe I don't really need to. Let's just turn that around for you guys while I take what's the residuals off my spatula, which in theory I should be able to replicate, but who knows. That covered pretty well. That covered even better than I expected by a long shot, actually. So I don't think I really want to put anything in there, at least not right now. And I do see there are a couple bubbles. And there might be a couple things that aren't bubbles. So I'm going to torch to release the bubbles. See if I can find my tweezers really fast. There we go, yay. And relocate those things that need to go away. Yep, alright, well that'll do. I'm going to throw my spatula in the bucket and grab a clean one. I really want to put some black in my bottom. But I'm going to use the dioxazine purple and the Venetian blue and maybe a little bit of this cobalt blue, which is actually turquoise. A little bit of amethyst from from Artist Loft. My mistake. I want some Prussian blue. And since I'm at Beautiful Colorland, I'm going to put some of the color shifting turquoise from Folk Art in there. And I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom that I did on the top. I'm going to just swipe through part of it and use it to cover the bottom and the edges to the best of my ability, because I will probably come back using my small tools and put some Amsterdam white cell activator in there. Chances are I might want to put some more of this color in over here, more of the sky colors. Oh, I just got rid of those beautiful cells, darn. Well, anyway, we got beautiful colors. And if I didn't tell you all of them, then you can ask me, no problem. And I'll tell you if I can. Those are gorgeous colors. I'm pretty happy about that. Makes me want to grab a scrape dish for now, so I can fully utilize that little tiny puddle That was ridiculous. Okay, never mind. I'm going to wipe that down right now. So in a minute, if I need it again, I have it. All right, so I want some more of the color that I was anticipating using over here. This is the Arteza Fiery Red, which is a metallic or a pearl. This is the Arteza Tangerine, I believe. This is a Folk Art Color Shifting Purple. And I'm only adding these in because I really think that my water or my wave won't fill up everything. Also, it's nice to see what the different tools will do. And these tools are made out of acetate sheets, which is pretty much the same thing as the packaging you throw away on anything you buy, including egg cartons and lettuce covers and so on and so forth. And the tools video should be, if I recall, included under the video, as long as I know. And you can also search it on my channel for tools. I like the difference in the texture between the two zones. And I love stealing paint. And I also like the fact that if I have paint on these little tools, I can cover my edges pretty easily. But in this case, I'm covering some of the black canvas showing through. I just did this on a dark blue pre-primed canvas, which sort of gave me the incentive to go ahead and have some fun on the black one, just because the black one was already ready and dry. So I've filled in everything but my wave, and I have some really nice cells, and I really ought to think about whether I want to do anything with the Floetrol. And I kind of do, just because I can. So I am going to. Because it looks like sea foam or water or whatever, but it adds some really nice texture that I like a lot. Now I'm contemplating my electric blue, and I also think I might want to put something down below, which in this case turns out to be, at the moment, my Anita's White Metallic, because it's inexpensive. It doesn't show up too badly. It usually disappears when I put other colors on top of it. But I'm going to have to work quick because I really didn't put enough on there. Let's put more on there. This time I'm thinking, as long as my ocean sea area is wet, I might put some of the sky colors reflected in there. I kind of wish that I'd left myself a little dish, and I would definitely say that that would be a good idea for someone else. Come on, off you come. Maybe a little more. Alright, so Venetian blue, cobalt blue, which is turquoise metallic from Artist Loft. Venetian blue is a Modern Masters. This is an unshaken. Anita's White Metallic with a little bit of that blue in it. There's my electric blue from Arteza. A little bit of dioxazine purple. I think this is called, what is this called? This is an Anita's. It's not a Bahama, it's an island blue now. And this is Folk Art Neon Purple. I know that I added a whole bunch of white Anitas to it. Let's go ahead and use my purple cell activator And I'm kind of figuring if I get enough, oh that's nice, if I get enough mass of paint on the canvas, I might be able to do what I did the last time and use the white cell activator to blow into it. I like to make sure that I can utilize all the paint if possible. I had a scrape dish, there it is, I got it. A little more purple and then I'm moving on to white. This is reminiscent of a wave picture that I have on my phone that I just attempted to replicate, sorta kinda. I want to just keep using those colors. Putting some striations in. I've got all kinds of paint I didn't see. I like the white in there. I like the idea of the sea gathering up its resources here. And now it's time to decide to put some colors in there, and I think I'm going to take a chance and use the purple because I really like it. I see something that's bugging me. Yeah, I want all that water to be coming from this direction. I'll have to be patient. Hey, I got exactly what I wanted. Oh, that is the head rush and top of the head rush. I love it. Yes. I'm going to show you that before I put any of the sky colors in the water, which is what I've been thinking about. So I'm primed to do that. Should not work upside down, but I still do it anyway. I am going to clean off my little tool on my Lolafi silicone mat. Lolivefi? I never get it right. So let me put some of this color, if it'll come out, right in my little dish. Hopefully you can see that. A lot of times you can. I don't think I need anything else in my sky. I'm pretty happy with my new wave series. It's pretty sexy. I'm loving it, actually. And I think, I said this before, if I have gaps that show through, I'm not afraid to go back the next day and fix that. I don't want any of that purple in there, but yeah, I like that. Just, oh, I made some muck, but I'm liking all of that still. Sunset reflections in the water. Cool wave, really cool. That, in my opinion, could not have been more successful. I don't know how far to go. I don't want to stop. So I love you guys. And if you're looking for more videos, please just ask me if you can't find them on the 2100 videos that are compiled in playlists. All playlists, created playlists, you can find them on my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel banner, you can find PayPal, and if you decide to make a donation to keep the studio rolling, you'll be entered in the monthly drawing that will enable you to have a choice of one of the paintings that I show included at the beginning of the exhibition video. I like the reflections in the water. I should not do this. I am doing it anyway. Very cool. Okay, I think that was a resounding success, and I will continue to do this. One day I may find my thing. I get 18 things now. Maybe there'll be one. That thing is not coming out of there. Come out of there, thing. It may be attached to the canvas. These gritty canvases are not the bomb. Alright. I got 2 minutes to tell you guys that I have legalist clothing. And it's the top link on my link tree. My link tree is the first or second blue link under the video. Usually the second one, as long as I'm including a link to these tools. I'm going to torch release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to tell you guys I'd really appreciate your thumbs up. That was so much fun, I can't even tell you. I just want to keep making waves bigger and bigger. I've been waiting for a while to discover my... Anyway, my muse had a good day. So did I, in the end. It was a rough start and a great finish. And there may be some paint added to my sky tomorrow at the rate I'm looking at it. And just fill that in with my tweezers. Alright, so my email address is below the link tree, and under shown where also you will find my paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe. And if you'd like to contact me in regard to inquiring about the purchase of a painting, use my email address. And if you're interested in knowing how much it is to take a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, that's definitely the place to get in contact with me. My Amazon link is on the link tree. If you are looking for my books, they're volumes 1 and 2, Because I Can, and Unlimited Possibilities. My community board will show you tomorrow's video, as well as my Facebook group, also found on the link tree. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. That's Facebook group. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for shoppingpixels.com and Fine Art America, included on the link tree, along with Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. If you need anything from me, feel free to ask me questions. I love you guys. I'm going to zoom in because this is worth seeing close up. And then I've got a little bit of paint I need to add to the top edge. But what fun that was. Check out that purple seafoam. Woo, baby! I love it. You guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, reminding you, check out that legalist on the top link on the link tree. It's investment quality clothing, but it's worth seeing, and maybe somebody somewhere can help me get to the next level by buying something so I can add some more designs. I'd love to do that. All right, I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Please don't give up on me, and know that all of your comments are very encouraging, and you keep my morale boosted in the face of adversity, and there is some, and then some. Bye for now. Priscilla out.